Okay, we're here at 4500 Petit Avenue here in Encino. Now, we're starting off by running our camera from a 3-inch clean out, like an end of a line clean out, all the way at the back of the house near the little jacuzzi here. And we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. We're going to run our camera from wherever we have a clean out from. But remember, we cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector crawl under the house. He's going to do a physical inspection from underneath the house. What we can tell you over here, since we've been running our camera, that this house has definitely had some add-ons to it. And we see some clay piping underneath the structure of the house. Clay pipe is not allowed under the structure of the house. Nevertheless, we've run our camera in about 77 feet where we've located another clean out in the back of the house that was a little bit buried under the ground, which we'll continue our inspection from. Now, here we are at the clean out over here where we'll continue from. So we're going to pull the camera back. You see it's an ABS clean out right there. It's actually a two-way clean out. And then it comes back to some clay piping.
Sunk down a little bit.
Yeah, not too bad though. So this is outside of the structure. Got a little bit of roots over here. Now if we come back maybe about 15 feet, we're coming back 15 feet now, we're probably underneath the structure of the house now, where we do have some clay pipe. And obviously, clay pipe's not allowed under the structure. This was never ever replaced, because it was probably deeper than the foundation when they dug the foundations. So this has to be replaced. It has to be ABS plastic pipe here, or a cast iron pipe. Of course, you put a clay pipe. Makes a 45-degree turn, still underneath the house. A little bit of roots in the pipe over there. Still underneath the house, the structure of the house. And then it's going to make a couple of turns here. And then it comes back to cast iron pipe, which we've located in the bedroom underneath the back over here. So we're going to continue bringing our camera back, and then it comes back to ABS plastic. So the ABS plastic, you can see, takes a lot of little turns over here. That's why we had a tough time pushing the camera all the way. Now, it is coming underneath the house. It picks up the little bathrooms along the way. This is all in good condition over here. As we come out of the clean out, we're going to go ahead, pause the recording, and we'll run our camera from the other clean out that we just located. Okay, so we've located the sewer line outside where the buried clean out was here, by the little swings over here where the kids' swings are. And right now we've got our camera and we're all the way out to the city connection in the street. There's the city sewer right there. So we're going to bring the camera back. This is the 6-inch clay lateral coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. This all looks pretty good over here. Comes onto the property over here to change to an ABS plastic. Now you see how we dove down there. Now the reason I'm going to mention that is because when you come through the driveway over here, this is all okay. But now we're going into water. And that's why this whole section over here, for quite a long distance, it's all underwater with incorrect grade. And the reason I mentioned down the bottom, because you see how we dove down, there's no reason for this to have standing water over here. For quite a long distance, at least like 30, 40 feet.
40 feet now.
This is no good. So that whole section, you can see the buildup of grease from all this water that's been standing. And there's no reason why there should have been standing water. That could have been graded with the right amount of grade. Although it's a plastic pipe, you may never have problems, but it doesn't conform to industry standards. This is all ABS plastic coming back here. It's all in good condition. All looks good. What else?
That's it.
That's all. Where did you see this other clean out?
It was just that thing.
Oh, that was the only one?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, so we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.